In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a status on WhatsApp Web using a PC in 2025. This can be a great way to share updates, photos, or videos with your contacts if you're working on a computer and want to stay connected. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp Web, which you can access by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your preferred web browser. Make sure that your phone is nearby because you'll need to scan the QR code that appears on the screen, as this links your WhatsApp mobile account with WhatsApp Web. It's really straightforward. Just open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the three dots in the top corner, select linked devices, and use your camera to scan the code. Once you're in and everything's synced, you will notice a variety of icons on the left panel of your WhatsApp web interface. The icon we're interested in looks like a circle. This is the status icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the status section, where you can see updates from your contacts and, of course, add your own. Now you have the option to add various types of statuses: photos, videos, or just text. If you're planning to share a photo or video, click on Photos and Videos. This will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Simply choose the media you want to upload and give it a few moments to load onto the platform. After your photo or video is uploaded, you have the opportunity to be a little creative. You'll notice an option to add a caption. This is wonderful for adding a note or a funny remark that gives context to your status. Next to that, there are further customizations available. You can add text directly onto your photos or videos, use emojis to express yourself, sprinkle a few stickers, or even draw if you're feeling artistic. These additional features are a great way to make your status uniquely yours and more engaging for viewers. Once you have everything just as you want it and you're satisfied with how your status looks, you're ready to share it with your friends. All you need to do is press enter, or you can click on the share button. And there you go, your new status is live, ready for your contacts to enjoy. So that's how you add a status on WhatsApp Web using your PC. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay connected and share moments from your life without needing to switch to your phone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.